Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and today we are going to discuss book work and notebook work of chapter number 15, Plants Around Me. In the previous part of the video, we discussed about this chapter, and in today's part we are going to discuss its book work and notebook work. Okay children, before starting book work and notebook work, let's summarize quickly what we learnt. In this chapter we saw different types of plants, that plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big, some are small. Big plants are called trees, some are shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. And we studied how seed turns into a plant, how it grows flower, then it grows into fruit and then seed, and the process goes on. And plants are very useful for us, they provide us many things. Now let's start book work. So children, open page number 7878. Question A, correct these statements and rewrite them. Okay children, statements are given over here, we have to correct them and we have to write the statement again. First, trees crawl on the ground. Okay children, now trees crawl on the ground. Are trees weak plant? They crawl on the ground? No. Which plant crawls on the ground children? Creepers, because they need support of the ground to grow. So the correct statement is creepers crawl on the ground. So we will write creepers crawl on the ground. C will be capital. Number 2, the most beautiful part of the plant is the leaf. Okay children, is most beautiful part of the plant a leaf? No, the most beautiful part of a plant is flower, because they are very colorful, they grows in different colors and they smell so good. Let's write the correct statement. The most beautiful part of the plant is flower. Number 3, the root holds the seed. Okay children, does the root hold the seed? No. Which part of the plant holds the seed? Fruit, because seed is inside the fruit. So the correct statement is the fruit holds the seed. Instead of fruit, what we wrote here? We wrote fruit over here. Okay. Now let's see question B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Very tall plants are called dash. What are very tall plants called? Very tall plants are called trees. So we will write trees over here. Dash and dash are weak plants. Now which plants are weak plant? Which plants need support to grow? Climbers and creepers. So the answer is creepers and climbers. Creepers crawl on the ground and climbers need support of stick or some wall to grow. Number 3, the flowers become a dash. Now children, flowers turn into fruit. So the flower becomes a fruit. Number 4, dash, dash and dash makes plants strong and healthy. Now children, what makes plants strong and healthy? Soil, sunlight and air. These 3 things make plants strong and healthy. Now let's see how to write these words. Okay children, first, very tall plants are called trees. T will be small. TREES, trees. Number 2. Dash and dash are weak plants. Now what are weak plants? Which are weak plants? Creepers and climbers. CREEPERS, creepers. C will be capital because it's the first word and first letter. Next, climbers. CLIMBERS. Here C will be small. Number 3, the flowers becomes a dash. Now flowers turn into fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F will be small. Number 4. Dash, dash and dash makes plants strong and healthy. Now what makes plants strong and healthy? Soil. S will be capital because it is the first letter. Soil. Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. S-O-I-L, soil. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. And air. A-I-R, air, makes the plant strong and healthy. Children, I hope you are doing this book work with me in a beautiful handwriting. Okay children, after discussing the book work, now let's move to copy work. Let's see. Chapter 15, plants around me. Answer the questions. Let's see first question. Question number 1. What is called the tree trunk? Now what is called the tree trunk? A thick brown stem of a tree is called the tree trunk. I explained you now, the thick woody stem of the tree is called tree trunk. So answer is a thick brown stem of a tree is called the tree trunk. Next question. Question number 2. Name any 5 parts of the plant that you can see. Now here we have to name 5 parts of a plant that we can see. Let's see the answer. First is flowers, second fruits, leaves, stems and seeds. Now roots that we cannot see, that's why we have not written over, because in this question it is asked the parts of a plant that we can see. Question number 3. Mention 4 things that you get from plants. Now here we have to write 4 things that we get from plants. Let's see. Food, medicines, paper and wood. Now beside these there are many more things that we get from plants, but here we have to write food, medicines, paper and wood. First letter will be capital, children. Now children, I hope you have understood how to do book work and notebook work. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.